Hello everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write basic arithmetic program using C# as our programming language. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment section in this video tutorial, share, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. So I am already here in my C# environment, so we can go to file, select new project, select console application, and then click the OK button. So here we can start writing the code, no? So I will declare several variables here. num1 equals 0, num2 equals 0, sum, let's say for example semicolon, next line will be product, a sub for subtraction, subtract, multiply, and then we have here the divide. Okay, the next step is I will declare new line for spacing, console. Next, title of our program, horizontal tab, basic arithmetic operations in C#. Copy this one. Okay, so next, console, point right, enter first value, and then we have here num1 equals convert dot int 32 console point read line. Okay, so I will copy this portion again of the code, and then by this time I will change the word first to second. So here num2. Next, I will use assignment operator sum, so num1 plus num2, subtract equals num1 plus subtract, instead of plus, minus num2, and then multiply equals num1 as this num2, and then divide equals open parenthesis num1 slash num2 close parenthesis. I will copy this again, the code, paste. Next, capital letter, caps lock, display results. Okay, next, console point tab the sum of class num1 and num2 is sum. Okay, I will copy this again, this portion of code, so that we can save time and effort. And then instead of sum, I will replace it to difference subtract. Copy again, paste. Instead of the word difference, we can have product, and then we have here product, and then next, no product, multiply, and then the next is the last one is the quotient. We are divide. Copy, paste, paste, horizontal tab, end of program. And then lastly, we can have console read key. Okay, and then I think we have already through with the code, no? So let me explain now what the things that transpire, no? So here I declare a variable, and then we have here the title of our program, basic arithmetic operations in C#. This one is for the input of two values, enter first value and enter second value, and then this is the arithmetic operations, sum, subtract, multiply, divide, and then this portion will be the display. The next step that we'll do is to compile and run our program to check if there is a syntax error, and execute the program. Click the play button. Okay, there is a little problem, the formatting, so I forgot to add \t. Save, try again. Okay, let's say for example 100 arithmetic operations in C#. Enter first value, I give 100. Second value, let's say for example 10. Okay, we have the result, no? Display the results. The sum of 110 is 110. The difference of 110 is 90. The product of 110 is 1000. The quotient of 110 is 10, and a program. So we got it already, right? The program is correct, no? So before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, share, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you very much guys for watching. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada says until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.